This might just be the most important video that you watch this week, actually this year, because I'm gonna be sharing my new skincare recommendations for the last Nykaa Pink sale that did not just impress me, they blew my mind. And trust me, they are total paisa vasool. So grab your chai, coffee, and let's dive in. Hi Kitty fam, welcome back. I missed you all so much. Yes, I did get a haircut. I don't like it. I'm gonna get it fixed. But I'm excited to share my first skincare recommendation, and it's the Laneige Midnight Mini Set. It has 5 best-selling lip sleeping masks: watermelon, mango, peach iced tea, berry, and gummy bear. Priced at 1,250 rupees, which is a steal for this set. It's packed with muru muru butter, shea butter, so it's super hydrating. I'm gonna keep one for myself and give the rest to my family. It's such a cute and thoughtful gift as well. I'm also gonna swatch all 5 of these in a YouTube short, so make sure that you're subscribed, you didn't miss it. My next pick is something that you have to try. This is I'm from Rise Toner. I got the mini first, but I liked it so much that I got the full-sized bottle. It has a unique double layer texture, so it gives intense hydration but also velvety soft finish to your skin. It has 77% rice extract, which is so brightening on the skin. I think this would be my first pick if you want that glass skin look that Koreans have. Highly recommended. My second toner pick is the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. This one is a little bit more hydrating than the I'm from Rise Toner, so this one is perfect for this winter season. I picked it because it also gives a beautiful glowy glass looking skin, so highly recommend both of these. Whatever fits your budget, get it. You're not gonna regret it, and these are going on huge discount. This is another must buy from the sale if you get it in stock. This is I'm from Honey Mask. So I applied it for 10 to 15 minutes on my skin and then I washed it. And when I looked at my skin, I was stunned because I thought it would just be hydrating on my skin, but it left this beautiful glow. It also cleaned my blackheads, whiteheads, and my skin looked so bright. I was not expecting this. So this is like a must buy. I just love how it feels on my skin. My skin felt so soft for whole day and I just kept touching my skin. Next, I want to talk about face washes, and I tried this new brand Moody, which is very budget friendly, and it's their Acne Expert Pore Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I do not like foaming face wash because they make your skin so dry, but this one is so gentle and it keeps your skin soft yet clean. So that's why this is my first favorite foaming face wash. It's only 195 rupees and this will be going on sale. Actually, I tried a lot of other skincare products from Moody. All of them are very budget friendly, and some of other favorites that I have from the brand is their clay mask and their oil-free moisturizer. Next is the Cosrx Retinol 0.1 cream. This is my favorite retinol cream right now. I think I got it in the beginning of this year. I did not like it, that's why I did not mention it, but now I love it. Like, it works on my skin. I don't know what changed. I would wake up in the morning and first thing I do, look at my face in the mirror. I formed this habit since the time I have become obsessed with skincare. So when I notice a glow more than usual on my skin, I remember, oh, last night I used this retinol cream. And the best sunscreen that's launched this year is the Cosrx Ultra Light Invisible Sunscreen SPF 50. It has new age sunscreen filters, free from oxybenzone, and very lightweight on the skin and very affordable. I think it will be around 1,000 after the discounts. So this is one of my favorite picks for this Nykaa Pink sale. My friend messaged me last night and she was asking for a moisturizer recommendation because the Clinique moisturizer was not working for her anymore. It's because of the changing season, and this is what I recommended her. So you know that I literally recommend you only the products that I recommend to my family. This is the Put Simply Water Dam moisturizer, and this is super hydrating. It has a gel cream hybrid texture, so it's not heavy on the skin skin. So it's more lightweight than the cream based moisturizers and more hydrating than the gel based moisturizer. It's perfect in the middle. I love the ingredient list of this moisturizer, and this has been my favorite. This is my second tube of this moisturizer, so you know I love it. You know that Cosrx is my #1 favorite skincare brand, but this year I got their Cosrx All About Snail kit. So you get to try all 4 products from their Snail Mucin range, but you get the travel size bottles. So I will be traveling next year and I did not want to carry full size bottles. That's why I got this kit, and it was already on 15% and I grabbed it because it always goes out on stock. My favorite cleansing oil at this moment is the Simple Cleansing Jelly Oil. It has a jelly texture. It melts into your skin, removing all the makeup, your sunscreen, all oil based impurities, and leave your skin super soft. Numbuzin is also launched on Nykaa, and these two are my favorite picks from their brand. This is their pure full calming water sunscreen SPF 50. It's the most lightweight sunscreen I've ever used. I have so many sunscreen favorites, but this might just be the most lightweight. My next pick is Numbuzin #5 Vitamin Serum. Now this is the most gentle vitamin serum I've ever used. If your skin tend to react to vitamin C serums, then this is for you because it's specially made for sensitive skin types who cannot tolerate vitamin C on their skin. I have reviewed both of these products in Numbuzin skincare video. I have an oily T-zone, and because of that I get a lot of blackheads on my nose and whiteheads under my chin, and the only solution for me that worked was using chemical peels. Now I have only liked Dr. Sheth chemical peels because they are super gentle and did not burn my skin like other chemical peels. I don't even like the ordinary one. I think I will try to use it once again for just like 2-3 minutes and report back to you. I still feel it's too strong for my skin, but since the Dr. Sheth peels have been discontinued, I guess I can't find them anymore anywhere. I have started using Wishflow Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. This removes my blackheads and my whiteheads. That's why I use it, and properly clean exfoliate my skin. I think it will be on 50% off because last time it was, so this is a steal. I finally tried the Benefit Benetint and I am obsessed. I've tried all the other tints from Benefit. I did not try it for the longest time because I thought it would not show up on my skin, but it gives the most beautiful rosy flush to my lips and my cheeks. Perfect for no makeup look, and it just makes you naturally pretty. Let's talk about serums, and I love Ordinary serums. They are one of the best out there and very affordable. So this one is the 10% Argireline solution, and it's for your fine lines, wrinkles, and it gives this super plump look to your skin. Pair it with a peptide based skincare product and it will make you look 5 years younger. You can use the 6 peptide booster serum by Cosrx or the Ordinary multipeptide copper peptides 1% serum. So highly recommend both of these. And next to serums, which I will be restocking on because I think the next Nykaa Pink sale will come in the July. So for my summer vacation, which will be in February or March, I need to stock up on the products that I will be using in the summertime as well. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and they're going on buy 2 get 1 free offer, and I love to use their foundation as well, which is like one of my most used foundation ever. I have so many others, and other product that I really love from Estee Lauder is this one. This is the shade 420 Rebellious Rose, and this is such a rose pink peachy shade. Like, it's my lips but better, and it's super pigmented. It's not one of those nude lipsticks that makes you look dull, but it just perks up your face. So I love this shade and I wear it so much. And मेरी Klairs vitamin C serum भी बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है, so I'm gonna be buying this one as well because this is my #1 favorite vitamin C serum. I will also stock up on Clinique Moisture Surge. So they have flat 25% off on Moisture Surge Duo, so it's a great deal. Let me know in the comments if you're restocking your holy grails or you're gonna try something new from today's video. I would love to know. I have 4 more products left to share with you. So for eye cream, I love the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum, Ginseng plus Retinol. Both of my favorite favorite ingredients. I saw some comments and messages that you like it too, and I'm really happy that it worked for you as well, because this is one of my favorite eye creams. My favorite kind of toners are glycolic acid toners, but you can use it only in the night time. So this one is The Ordinary and this is Pixi Glow Tonic. I love to use both of these, so I really can't choose between these, you guys. So choose according to your budget. If you're allergic to fragrance, then stay away from Pixi Glow Tonic, go for The Ordinary one. And the last product is by Innisfree. It's their Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask in the new packaging, and I love it. It's so good in cleaning and just absorbing all the impurities from my skin. Let's begin with my favorite body care recommendations for this pink sale. My first pick that you have to try is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Wash. This takes my shower routine from basic to bougie. So when I'm applying it in the shower, it starts with the nutty pistachio and almond scent, and then comes a hint of salted caramel and vanilla base. So comforting and so yummy, you need to try it. And then I pair it with their Vanilla Caramello body lotion, which I literally have finished so many bottles, like almost 10 bottles of it. So I will be restocking on this as well. If anybody from Plum is watching, you guys need to launch a body oil for this range. Like, I would love it. It's so good. This whole range is amazing from Plum, and none of these are sponsored. आज बहुत शोर हो रहा है kitties, and construction शुरू हो गया है in my neighborhood. So yeah, you might hear some noise. I hope it's not too much. I'm gonna continue because मुझे ये खत्म करनी है video. My next pick smells so good. This is the Sol de Janeiro Perfume Mist Discovery Set. So you get a lot of different products from the brand in the same price you would have paid for the full size bottle. I'm loving the gift sets this year. You can tell from this video. So my favorite body mist from them is the number 68 Crushed Curiosa. This one, the pink one. It smells amazing, you guys. I have finished this much of it. I use this the most in the summer. And the second favorite, which is also my mom's favorite, is the number 62, which smells nutty with salted caramel. They have two discovery set, and get the one where they have both of these, 62 and 68, because these two are must have from their brand. And I will be making a separate Sol de Janeiro video because I really do like their products. I also like their body creams, but I will make a separate video for that. I'm still using the Dove body scrub because I haven't found a better scrub than this. If you have found one, let me know. I will switch, otherwise I'm gonna use it for the lifetime. And now let's begin with the hair care favorites for this sale, and my number one pick has to be the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil with Brahmi Amla. It smells amazing, and you can tell I'm gonna stock on this as well because look at this. Like, I've finished it, almost this much left. This is like the best hair oil I've tried in a very long time. Usually when I used to use hair oils with Brahmi Amla, they used to break my hair a lot. I used to get a lot of hair fall, but with this I don't. That's why I prefer it. And it also makes my hair super shiny and soft. Love it. For hair mask, I've been loving the Love Beauty and Planet Olive Oil and Peptide Hair Mask. What I like about this, it doesn't make my hair too heavy like some hair masks do. It conditions my hair, make them super smooth and soft in the perfect amount, like not too much that my hair is weighing down. I also get frizzy hair, so I try to use serums which does not weigh my hair down. It's the Moroccan Oil Treatment Hair Serum, which is like my holy grail. I always keep it with me. But if you find it expensive, go for the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum. It has the same texture and get rid of the frizzy hair and adds shine without making them heavy. For my shampoo, I'm still using the Plum Avocado and Argan Oil sulfate free shampoo for frizzy hair. It's very affordable, and it just, this volume to my hair makes them smooth, shiny, very healthy. So that's all for hair care favorites. Now let's move on to the beauty favorites. Next is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick. So what I do, I apply my lipstick and then I apply the Fenty Beauty lip glosses, but this is both lipstick plus lip gloss in one. I have the shade Is It Fussy. It's a very beautiful mauve nude shade, and if you're like a deeper dusky skin tone, go for the deeper shades. This is like a melting lipstick, melting balm on your lips, very moisturizing, very hydrating. K-Beauty also launched their hydrating lipstick formula. I haven't tried it yet, but this is like, I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I love the Etude House lip oil. It adds this nice color to your lips, also keeps them so moisturized. It adds a beautiful pop of color on your lips. Elf is also going on buy two get one free, and I highly recommend their blush. It's a dupe for Rare Beauty blushes. I have the shade Coral Crush, which is a dupe for their shade Joy. Other must-have product from Elf is their Halo Glow filter, which is literally like a filter for your face. If you guys don't like foundations, go for that. For lipstick, I've been loving the Estee Lauder Rebellious Rose shade. I have been wearing it so much lately. For eyeshadow palette, you have to try the Raw Mint glitter eyeshadow. I love wearing glitter in the festive season, this time of the year. It's so festive. I forgot to wear a perfume today because this is what I love to wear every day on me. This is the YSL Libre. They also have a mini of it, which is for 2,200 rupees. You can try that and then decide if you want to try the full size bottle or not. Do not blind buy perfumes, you guys, but this is like a good blind buy, honestly, because it smells so unique. Starts with lavender and then settles into a powdery white floral fragrance. I can also smell orange blossoms, which makes it so fresh and zesty. This is perfect for winter, summer, all year round. So yeah, that's all for today, and I will see you in my next. Bye kitties.